Sugar producers face nowadays quite unique challenges. From trying to save energy, trying to maximize the production yield, using less materials, it's quite challenging and it's always at top of the agenda. Right now, I'm at Südzucker in Rhein am Lech. This is in the southern part of Germany. I'm quite excited to be here to show you how microwave systems are being used in the production process, from the evaporation and crystallization processes. It's quite a unique opportunity that we have, and I would like to show you how it's done. Here we are, next to the evaporation station. Here is also a critical step into the sugar production, where sugar is concentrated into syrup. With help of the microwave technology from Berthold, we help our customers with top-notch technology to generate a high efficient evaporation. So why investing in this technology? First of all, what we help our customers with our Brix measurement is to achieve a steady and energy efficient evaporation. We monitor the Brix stages. And secondly, and also one of the most important, with a steady increase of Brix, you will achieve a very nice white sugar and you will assure efficient energy usage in the evaporation system. Now, let's talk about one of the most important steps in the sugar production, the crystallization. Behind me, you can see batch pans. This is where the magic happens. This is where sugar crystals are separated from the oversaturated solution. And it's very key that this is done right. This is where our microwave technology plays a role. It keeps an eye on your Brix levels in real time, ensuring supersaturation for perfect crystal growth. The results? Constantly high quality sugar, which meets market standards and customer satisfaction every time. What does this mean to you? Bigger yields, better sugar quality, and much more efficient production. At the end, an all-around win-win for you. Microwave measurement uses the transmission technology, where microwaves are directed from the transmitter through the material to the receiver. Microwaves pass through the material, interacting with the free water molecules. These water molecules undergo a certain rotation or an oscillation depending on the orientation of the electromagnetic field. Due to this interaction, phase shift and attenuation can be detected by such a measuring system. This signal gives in real time the exact concentration of water content in the product. So we are now at the control room of the sugar factory. I have the pleasure to be with Mr. Mayr. Could you tell us what is the benefit of working with Berthold, and just tell us your experience in the last years with Berthold?
Der Grund, wieso dass wir schon seit vielen Jahren mit
The reason why we've been working with Berthold for many years is actually historically based. Before we installed radiometric density measurements here at the plant, we used density measurements based on viscosity or conductivity. Then radiometric technology emerged and Berthold was the first company to introduce this technology to the market. Later, the possibility came up to replace radiometry with microwave technology. And again, Berthold came into play with the next generation devices.
Mr. Mayr, could you tell us what has been your experience for the last 24 years using microwave?
Also für uns haben sie diese Mikrowellenmessung als großes Glück erwiesen, weil
For us, microwave measurements has been a major advantage, just as stable as the radiometric predecessor, but without the regulatory challenge of nuclear isotopes. That means fewer image concerns and cleaner, smoother operations. Considering the total effort involved, it's clearly the better solution. Microwave-based density measurements are now standard throughout our operation. Wherever density needs to be measured, we use these devices in various forms such as flow cells or container probes. It's standard practice for us. When a density measurement is needed, we consult Berthold. They recommend the best fit solution, and this collaboration has always worked well. We've constantly been satisfied. Service is also crucial. We always receive excellent support. With direct contacts, we can speak when issues arise. Especially at the start of a campaign, this support is invaluable. When campaigns begin, it gets hectic and every device must work flawlessly. We rely on someone to handle the technical side, because we simply don't have time. Berthold schedules someone in advance, they handle everything, and it's fantastic.
Termine frei hält, der hilft uns dann und das ist super.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mayr. Berthold micropolar systems, based on microwave latest technology. It is a reliable technology and it's a game changer because its unmatched reliability and measurement accuracy will help you tackle difficult challenges in the sugar industry, especially in the crystallization or evaporation. So why Berthold? Not only our outstanding technology, but also combined with our excellent customer service. Together, we will boost your efficiency, sustainability, and profitability.